Hi, welcome to a review of the billing module in TaBS, the time and billing system for lawyers, accountants and other professional services organizations. Now the billing module, once we've clicked on that, simply lists out your current bills that have been issued, including their status, including issued, paid and draft. TaBS will issue and manage centrally the invoice number that should be allocated to that fee note, and also allows the export of a worksheet to Excel to help support the drafting of the fee note itself. To create a draft worksheet or fee note, simply select Add Billings, identify the client that you wish to bill off, and what will happen now is a list of the matters that are available under this client will display, and you can select which you now want to bill off. I can make a note of what this particular fee note is all about that I'm going to generate, and I can also identify the billing date. I do have a couple of options available to me. That includes whether this bill would be a consolidated type of bill. An example by that is where the client may have requested single bill from the maybe responsible partner, so you're doing what we would call a cross-departmental billing and consolidating all these matters into one bill. We can also perform what we call anticipated billing, and we'll explain that shortly. So down here we have displayed and identified which matters are actually fixed quote matters, and also if any of the matters are retainer work or prepaid, and often that may be corporate secretarial services. Now if we have a look at the infringement notice matter here, you can see we've already got and identified the timesheets that are available for this client. We also have the ability to filter, and we can identify the specific activity code for this particular client, and we could simply bill off those activity codes only. We can also select what we call the billing date, and that could be referred to, say, the end of last month. If we simply wish to bill off all time entries, simply select at the top, and you'll see that the fee note is automatically added up, including any anticipated timesheets. Now, anticipation is all about adding a couple more timesheets to the bill for, say, a partner review or delivery to a particular registry or something, and that will automatically be added into the bill, but when that timesheet hits the system in the future, it won't be counted twice. We also have the ability to, when a fee note is more or less than the actual amount, let's say we have to only bill off 3,000, but we want to bill off all entries at this date, you'll see that we've identified we're making a loss of 478, and then you have the choice of how you want to allocate this across the various fee earners that have contributed to this matter. Let's have a look. That can be 5, and we'll allocate 35 here, and that leaves 18 to be allocated here. So that's how we can allocate the losses or premiums across the fee earners involved with this matter. Now disbursements are exactly the same. If I want to bill off all disbursements, simply select here, or if I want to put one disbursement back, just simply unclick that and it will be placed back for billing in the future. Anticipated costs are also included, and if I want to increase or decrease any of those costs, they can be here. So we end up having a situation of the fee note charge, however the total of charges and costs against that particular bill. Once that's performed, simply create the draft bill and the job's done. So that's a quick review of the functionality and features of the billing module.